Hello everyone, Philippe Moisin here. In this video about the APSense business network, I want to show you how to create a page tour for your APSense profile. So we are on my APSense homepage right now. So if I go here, view profile, first thing you'll see the page tour that I created. So the people who come on my homepage, on my profile I mean, they see this, click the icon to play page tour. So if you click it, you'll see the steps. First step that shows how to easily find hundreds of Facebook groups. It points to this link. Second step, and then after the third step, I'm going to stop it for a reason. If I put my mouse over it, over the step, then you see, well, there is the step itself, what it's about. It's about those links, Google, Twitter, and Facebook fan page. And I also show you a little image here, and with some explanation. So these refer to those buttons here. So all those buttons, the previous step, pause the page tour, stop the page tour, and go to the next step. So this is the reason I show this to you, so that you can understand or you can show to other people what those buttons are about. If I put my mouse here, the page tour will continue automatically. So it will show the next step. In this case, the fourth step is the last one. So if you want to create your own page tour for your profile, you can create a page tour for an article or ref page or anything else, most anything else on APSense. So if here you go to edit page tour, or in your case if there's no page tour, you would say create page tour. So if you click there, so you see the steps. You can see, if you click on set property, you would see the themes. There are 8 different themes. As you can see, mine is the yellow one here. So I don't want to change that, so I'm going to click on OK. And then we go back to the other steps themselves. You can deactivate or you can delete the page tour. You can add a step. Get back to that later. So about the steps, about me here, the step element, what it's about is, if you go here to let's go back to the profile, to my profile, there are different elements. There's the APSense logo, the about me section, and there are other sections. You'll see if I click on, well, I could delete the step, or instead I'm going to click here to edit the step. So you can see the rank 4. The higher the rank, that determines that it's going to be the higher the rank is going to be the first step that will show. It's a sort of reverse psychology. Don't ask me why. That's how it works. So you can see here, you can play around with the text, you can change the color, you can put links, you can edit in HTML, you can these are all regular options that we can see for articles and APSense. So you can change the font size of the text, you can add images, you can play with the offset. This is the vertical position of the step that will appear. This is the horizontal position. I haven't played around with this option here, the background. So the element says about me. I show you, this is the part where I describe the stuff about what I do online. So it can be that step can be around the APSense logo here. The APSense logo is here. It can be the user's title, user's information. All those other options are available, and you can position after you've chosen the element where it will appear. You can decide if it will appear at the bottom of that element, at the right, the top, the right bottom. So as you can see here, this first step, it appears at the right. So if we go back for a second, what it means is, this is the about section. I chose here for the element the step to appear on the right in this section, and this is the link that I wanted to show. So that's why I had to play around with the number, that little number here, minus 160, so that this arrow here points to the link. That's what the main objective of it. Okay, so if I go back here to the other steps, you'll see the third step. This is where I actually showed. You see, this is image. You can click here to add an image. That image can be from your blog, from any of your sites, from any image that you find on the internet. If you have images on your blog, you can upload them, and then you can add it here to the page tour step. You can even add a video. I'm going to get back to that in a minute. So this is, like I said, I explain the purposes of those buttons for the page tour. So that's about it. If I go back here, you'll see that you can add other steps. How many steps can you add? It's up to you. But if you put on too many steps, I guess the people will get tired and go do something else. So it's up to you. Is 4 steps the perfect choice? I can't tell you. This is how I chose to do it. Let's see now if you want to add a video, because you can do that. Let's say you click on add step, and then the section appears where you can add HTML. So let's see that this video here, how to create a page tour at APSense. I had created a video about the page tour before. So if you click on share, this is we are on YouTube right now on my PH Moisin account channel. I mean my YouTube channel. So if you click on share, you scroll down a bit, and then you click on embed, because that's what you will need. And for some reason, APSense has been around for since 2007, and so we still need to use the old embed code in the many places at APSense when we want to show some videos from YouTube. So we click on use old embed code, and then you click once, you do Control C on your keyboard, and then you go back to the step. And what you need to do is you click on edit HTML, and you can add it. And the width is it's too large for the step is not large enough. So what I recommend is, I think that 300 is okay. And then you adjust the height too. So let's say 200, and those numbers appear twice. I can't tell you which ones is actually the right one, so I changed them in both places. And then you click on submit, and there you go. So the video is there. So if you click on OK, so the video would now appear in my page tour. So let's say I want it to appear first, just for demonstration. So I'm going to, let's say I'm going to put 7. Okay, so the page tour is now added. So you can stay there, and if you have opened your profile in another tab on your browser. So if you press F5 on your keyboard, or simply if you refresh the page in your browser, then the modification to your page tour will now be applied. So if I click on page tour again, you'll see the first step that appears, the video, and the videos can start to play in. So I'm going to stop it now. So that's how easy it is to add a video. Oops, I'm going to pause the video, sorry about that. Okay, so this is it. If you want to see other videos about APSense or about Facebook, you can go to my blog, beproactivenow.net. And if you go to this page here, videos, you see videos about APSense, about how to create videos, about Blogger, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook. So I've done hundreds of videos, video tutorials about online marketing and network marketing. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.